Do you have limited space but love gardening? Vertical gardening, a method that uses vertical space to grow plants, could be your solution. It's an innovative space-saving technique that's perfect for small areas. Stay tuned to discover 7 creative vertical gardening solutions that can transform your small space into a green oasis. First on our list is the use of hanging pots. These versatile containers can transform your space into a vertical garden oasis. Ideal for herbs, ferns, or trailing plants, they maximize space while offering visual appeal. With hanging pots, you can create a beautiful cascade of greenery in any corner of your home. Next up, consider wall planters. These are containers affixed to walls, perfect for adding greenery to vertical spaces. They're easy to install and can accommodate a variety of plants, from herbs to succulents. Wall planters can turn a plain wall into a vibrant living art piece. Third on our list are trellises and climbing plants. Trellises provide an ideal structure for climbing plants to ascend vertically, optimizing your garden space. Common climbers include roses, jasmine, and ivy. With trellises and climbing plants, you can create a green curtain that adds privacy and beauty to your space. Our fourth suggestion is a vertical palette garden. Repurpose a simple palette into a flourishing green space. It can host a variety of plants, from trailing vines to culinary herbs. A vertical palette garden is a sustainable and creative solution for limited spaces. Next, consider stackable planters. These clever containers allow you to grow multiple plants in a limited space. Herbs, flowers, and small vegetables thrive in this setup. Stackable planters can maximize your growing space without compromising on variety. Our sixth solution is quite unconventional: a shoe organizer garden. You can repurpose an over-the-door shoe organizer into a vertical garden, perfect for growing small plants or herbs. A shoe organizer garden is an ingenious way to make the most of your vertical space. Last but not least, consider a vertical herb garden. This ingenious solution can be crafted using a variety of methods, from hanging pots to wall planters. Imagine the joy of having fresh herbs within arm's reach. A vertical herb garden not only saves space, but also adds flavor to your meals. So there you have it, 7 creative vertical gardening solutions for limited space. From hanging pots to vertical herb gardens, each option offers a unique way to maximize your green thumb in limited spaces. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.